Hello friends, welcome to Chef's Menu. Today we will make trifle pudding. This is made of chocolate cake. This recipe is originally from England and it is called English trifle. Traditionally, British people they use sponge biscuits for the base of this pudding, but here I am going to use chocolate cake, and then I am going to make custard. I have taken 1.5 liter of milk, but I am going to make 2 tray of pudding. So I have taken 1.5 liter of milk. You can take 1 liter of milk, and I added 2 to 3 tablespoons of sugar according to your taste, and then I am going to take 2 tablespoons of vanilla custard. I am going to make a thin consistency of custard. You can make the normal consistency of custard. It's up to you how you want to take, but I like the thin custard. Then add 1/3 cup of milk to the custard powder. Mix it well, then wait till the milk starts boiling. After the milk starts boiling, you can add the custard mixture to the milk, and now bring down the heat to low. It should be between medium to low, not too low or not too high also. And then when the custard starts boiling, just switch off the heat, and no need to wait till it cools down. You can just pour it when it's hot. I'm going to pour it while it's hot because the cake is going to soak the extra liquid in the custard. That's why I have made it thin custard. In traditional way, they add fruit juice or sugar syrup to the cake so that it will be moist, and after that they make a thick custard, but I am not going to add any sugar syrup or fruit juice. Now I have taken lots of fruits here, and I have already made jelly out of one jello packet. You can make jelly beforehand and make small cubes out of it, or else I am going to show the other way in which you can directly pour the jello on top of the cake. But here make sure you should take lots of fruits so that it will give you very refreshing taste. After you put custard on top of the cake, just put it in the refrigerator so that it will be cooled down completely, and after that add the fruits. Fruits you can take apple, grapes, strawberry, kiwi or mango, like all soft and mushy fruits. And you have to cut it in small pieces, and if you add lots of fruit, the taste is very nice and refreshing. Now I'm going to show you how you can add jello on top of the cake. Here I have taken 1 pack of orange jello packet. Just boil 1 cup of water and then mix this jello powder to the boiling water, and you can switch off the heat now. Mix it well, then add 1 cup of normal water or cold water. After adding water, you can leave it outside to cool down completely if you are going to directly put this liquid on top of the cake. But if you are going to set it in another bowl, you can immediately put it in refrigerator. Now just wait till the jello liquid cools down completely, then add it on top of your fruit, or else you can set it in a bowl and cut it into small pieces, and then just put these pieces on top of the fruits. Either way you can put the jello, but I like this way, like putting it separately. Just make it small cubes and then add it. and then on top of this we'll add the whipped topping. This pudding you can make out of any sponge cake or banana bread, but I have tried all those cakes, but the chocolate cake gives you the best result. Now we'll put the whipped topping. This one just you need to spread it on top of the jello. This is the top layer. After this we are not going to put anything else. For this recipe I have used the chocolate cake which I already uploaded last week. You can check the recipe of my chocolate cake. That cake is very spongy and moist, and that is best for this pudding. So try this recipe and serve it to your family and friends. Enjoy the pudding and definitely comment in the comment box. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Press the bell button to get the notification whenever I am uploading the new videos. Now onwards you can follow me on Instagram also. Thank you for watching.